Hello everyone. So now I am going to share my next assignment for restaurant analysis. I need to use the Power BI technology here. The requirement of the client is the restaurant business owner not able to perform advanced analytics using the POC system. So currently he is running business wants to build the analytics to improve it. Okay. So this is the Google Drive link from where I get the data source. So I need to download the data source in the Excel format from this link. The requirement of this owner is they need to find the top selling product and on which days top selling products are selling more. Need to analyze the customer order patterns. Need to do a bucket basket analysis to design the combo menu. This is the description of what is the bucket basket analysis. So if you are familiar with the recommendation that Amazon and Flipkart or any other online portal suggest you, similarly the bucket basket analysis concept similar like you are ordering something and you will suggest something else, right? And this bucket basket is nothing but a people. You need to understand if they bought this one, they are also bought this one. Okay, so example is someone bought milk will also buy a bread, so they will keep milk and bread together next to each other. Okay, this is the link for my reference. Here is the YouTube video for this assignment. So let's move toward the Power BI report and I will show you how I did this restaurant analysis. So I have inserted one text box for this heading. Then I have write restaurant analysis here. I did some font change, size change and bold, and we can do the alignment also. So I have taken as a center. Then I have added the cards from this visualization pane. I have selected the card. So I have added these cards for sales discount amount. After selecting this card from here, I need to add this in the field sales discount amount. From here, I have taken that, and then the second one is selling price. Then the third one is the total item amount. Then the total item quantity, and then total sales discount amount. So as per this slicer I have taken from the visualization pane from here and added the item name field. So here are all the item names are present. If we can, we have to see the data for the particular item. We can see by selecting this. Like I have selected aloo dry chili. So the data, all data will be changed, and I can able to see the data for this. So the sales discount amount is 200 for this item. The selling price is 480. The total amount is 105k, and the total item quantity is 1172. Total sales discount amount is 26k. Okay, so we can check this for all other items also. So now we can see this chart. So this is the stacked column chart I have taken from this visualization pane. So it is showing me the sum of item quantity and their amount. So if I have taken the cursor here, then cursor this shows the item amount 100 and the sum of item quantity is 177. Okay. Next is this top selling product as per the receipt number. So we can see here, we can click on this arrow and see the more maximum number of count of receipt number. So the count of receipt number 53 for pizza dosa. So more people, we can say more customer, like 53 customers are ordering pizza dosa, 32 are ordering plain dosa, 23 are ordering paneer cheese. Okay. So then the next is this top selling item. So we can focus on this, and then we can see top selling item is the pizza dosa. Okay, and the amount is 6.2k. Second, last second is mushroom chili cheese. So we can see the data, what the product are selling top on the top. Okay, from here we can see that. And this is the normal stacked bar chart from this visualization pen. Then I have did some formatting here. I have added the title as top selling item. So we can change, we can on this data label for this data labels. We can change the colors from data colors. So we can do the updates, and or we can change this visual type format from this format pane. Okay. So next is this top sales per days in March 2020. So the data is only for March 2020. Okay. So the day of sale is 6 March 2020. So sum of item quantity are sold on that day is 94. So as per this report, we can able to see the top sales per days. Like on the 6 March, the 94 items quantity are sold. Then in on 7 March, the 89 products are sold. As like we can analyze this data. And so if we do filter on paneer, sorry, pizza dosa, okay. For this item, we can analyze. So the sales discount amount for this particular item is 1500. Selling price is 5300. The total item amount is 105K, and the total item quantity is 1172. Total sales discount amount is 26K. The count of receipt number is 53. Okay. And this is the item amount for this particular item. Okay. And this is the top sales for pizza dosa on the day on the 10th March, and sold at 10 these on the 10 March and the 6 March. So the in on that both days the item sold is the same, quantity is same, and the days are different. Okay. So the top selling item is this pizza dosa. So I also created the next second report for this. So this is the same text box. Then I have added the cards here, and then this is the item amount by item quantity and order type name. So some order type are there, 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, the item quantities are 1, 2, and 3. So in the order type name data, we can see what the data is. So order type name. So the data is about eat in or take away, like someone takes a as a parcel and someone eats there only. So I analyze that also. I have taken this pie chart from this visualization pane, and then I have taken the item quantity in the list end, in the details order type name. Okay, and the in the values item amount. So as I click on this, I can see the item quantity 1, order type name is it in, and item amount is 84%. Okay. So here the like we can say the customer, so many customers, they are eating in the restaurant, and they only ordered the one quantity of this item, any item, the one quantity only. So we can say these are the only one person are coming for this, or no, if the couple are also coming, but they are also ordering only one food, only one item. Okay, we can analyze like that. For this item quantity 2, so here is also the order type is eat in, and the amount is 9.67 percentage. So more amount is this 84.58 percentage for item quantity 1. Okay. This is the top selling item, and for like I have added the field order type name, so we can see the data in the legend order type. So this dark blue showing the 18, and this is the takeaway. So the takeaway is less than the order eaten. So more people are supposed to eat in the restaurant only. Okay. And this is the tree map I have taken from this visualization pane. And we can see here the count of item quantity, sales discount amount, and selling price by the item name. So if we can see the pizza dosa is more here because that is the top selling product item, we can say. So here we can see the data item name is pizza dosa, count of item quantity is 53, sales discount amount is 1500, and selling price is 5300. Okay, so we can analyze the data from this chart also. So this is my report. Thank you for watching this video.